Vajra Sai Infotech, under the brand name VCode, is conducting free workshops. We are training kids, teens and young adults. After the success of Workshop 1.0, which has benefited about 49 students, we have decided to take it on to the next level. Presenting Workshop 2.0. So, what is taught in Workshop 2.0? The basics of Java. What will be the learning outcomes? Students will be ready to learn core Java after this workshop. Why Java? Java is the foundation for many modern programming languages. About 3 billion devices run on Java. Now you can imagine the penetration of Java and how popular it is. And also, knowledge of Java makes it easy to learn any other code. Any other code is any other programming language. It is a cakewalk to learn anything else after learning Java. So we have this Code with Bala initiative. So Bala has got a huge experience of 20 years, out of which he spent 8 years in software training, and he trained about 5,000 plus students, and also is an IIM Lucknow alumni. Bala conducted training programs in Java, .NET, Python, HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, PHP, MySQL, jQuery, and also has immense knowledge in Node.js, MongoDB, digital marketing, and also MS Office. For more details or to register to Workshop 2.0, call or WhatsApp 8019 115 115. Alternatively, you may visit our website www.vajrasaigroup.co.in/software.